Welcome to the training for the NETGEAR M4250 series of managed Gigabit Ethernet network switches. This family of switchers was designed specifically for the AV over IP systems, and Atlona is offering several pre-configured models that are ready for integration with OmniStream systems. The reason we're offering these NETGEAR switches is to help alleviate a very common challenge with integration of networked AV systems. Setting up network switches is by nature technical and complex, with the need to configure the DHCP server, VLANs, and IGMP for multicasting. The M4250 switches direct from Atlona are pre-configured to work out of the box with OmniStream. This means customers can bypass all of these cumbersome configuration tasks. Let's take a look at some of the key features. The switches have LEDs on both the front and back of the units to show status for network links, PoE, fans, and power. These switches are pre-configured out of the box for OmniStream encoders and decoders, which greatly simplifies network switch setup. We include the rack gears for mounting in AV racks. They can also be reverse mounted with the network ports visible to the front or back of the rack. These switches have a dedicated web GUI designed specifically for the AV installer and technicians. The models have 1 gigabit ports with PoE Plus for OmniStream encoders and decoders. They have additional SFP Plus ports that enable 10 gigabit Ethernet links for connecting switches together or transmitting over long distances. Each switch model can be used with optional small form factor pluggable or SFP Plus modules, also available from Atlona. These are fiber optic 10 gigabit Ethernet transceivers for linking to additional switches to expand your networked AV system. They also allow 10 gigabit Ethernet to be transmitted long distances. NETGEAR offers AV installers a dedicated web GUI, as well as a standard IT-based GUI that is available for network engineers. IGMP Plus, with other NETGEAR technologies, simplifies the setup of multiple interconnected switches. These switches also give you the ability to configure individual ports for other networked AV platforms like Dante or AES67. And as mentioned, the network ports on the rear panel allow a flush-mounted rack installation with other AV products. The switches can alternatively be reverse-mounted with network ports in the front. The NETGEAR switches with the out-of-the-box OmniStream configuration allow for a fast and efficient deployment of your OmniStream networked AV system. These network switches offer a simple network switch installation experience. You can purchase a complete AV over IP system from Atlona without having to source the switch separately or go through complicated setup procedures. And let's not forget, our Velocity can run on the same VLAN alongside OmniStream with no additional switch setup. IP addresses are automatically assigned via DHCP. As a reminder, we strongly recommend Velocity for setting up an OmniStream system. For more information, visit www.atlona.com/NETGEAR.